In this video, let me show you on how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on your iPhone. Let's begin by opening the WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the settings icon on the lower right corner. Scroll down and open the notifications option. You see here different options for you. Now turn on the button beside show notifications. Turn on the buttons on the things here in order for you to receive notifications from WhatsApp if you have one. Now check if it solves the problem. If not, then you can try to reset notification settings by tapping this button below. Let's proceed to the other way. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down to Notifications and open it. Scroll down and look for WhatsApp, then tap it. Make sure that the Allow notification is enabled for you to receive notifications. If it still doesn't work, then you can try to restart your phone. If the issue persists, then try to uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it again. And yeah, you have it. You have a fresh download or updated the latest version.